How to withdraw money on Patreon. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can withdraw money on Patreon. To withdraw money from Patreon, you need to set up a payout method and then initiate a payout. First, what you'll have to do is you'll need to add your payout method like a bank account, PayPal or Payoneer through the settings. Now unfortunately, I'm unable to log in here at the moment, but you can easily do so through the settings and billings and payouts tabs. Once set up, you can initiate a payout by checking the payouts button, then the withdraw button. It's important to note that a 5-day payout lock is applied when you initially add or edit a payout method, and it can take 3 to 5 business days for the payout to be processed and credited to your account. So this is how you can withdraw money on Patreon. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.